Not going super fast, but it is definitely rubbing. Now on that second one, I did hear the fender rub, so that's not confidence inspiring. Just look at this. Bouncing on the back is rubbing. Yeah, that's exactly what I was afraid of, man. So I talked to FluidFreeRide and they said that all of the models that they sent out, they fixed the issue, but, or excuse me, they didn't have the issue that were on the early production models. But man, I am disappointed to say that that's not the case. So I am still getting fender rub, and it has to do with the springs in there. But when I put my foot on the back and I'm putting pressure on it, even when hopping, it's rubbing against the tire, man. That's not good. So a little more. Next one. I want to see how low it's getting. I'm not going super fast, but it is definitely rubbing. So I will get back with FluidFreeRide on that and see if they can send me the newer springs. Man, that's crazy. I was hoping not to have to do that. Like I said, since that was in early production models, that was like earlier in the year, and it's a known and well documented issue. And like I said, FluidFreeRide said that none of their models had that issue and that it had been fixed. So we clearly can see that that's not the case, because my fender is rubbing. So that's like I said, it's disappointing. On my Lightning, that has never been a concern. Like, I've never had any issues like that. You can bounce on that thing all day and you will never hear the fender rub on anything. At any rate, that's gonna be it, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, Go Electric Adventures is out of here. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.